Welcome back to my channel again, folks. Today we are going to do some more headlight tinting on this BMW 3 Series. It's gonna be awesome, it's gonna be cool. We got a couple different colors to choose from, but we are going to choose blue. Blue is what we're gonna go with this time, right? I went with yellow the last time. I want to try blue and see how I did. This is my boy Keith, and he's helping me to apply the film onto the headlight. This headlight is kind of tricky because it has a lot of contours, goes into the corners and everything. So he came with all of his stuff fully equipped, ready to go. See, he's a pro at it. So hey, whenever I can get some help, I take the help. So let's go. First thing we're doing, we're cleaning the surface with the surface wipe, getting rid of all the dirt and grime and dust from off of there. Very important. He needs an extra hand, so that's where I come in handy. So I am holding the light and then also help him to balance the film, get it in the right position. As soon as I get in the right position, I respectfully remove myself from the equation because the professional needs to work. See, he's got the handy dandy gloves. He even has the handy dandy hip pocket tool kit set. I don't even know where those things are sold. I've never seen them on Amazon. So that's how you know that he is a pro. Not sold to the average consumer, only to the professionals. So here we are. He's using the heat gun to heat up the vinyl just a little bit, not too much, because as I said, if you heat it up too much, it'll burn a hole in it. And as he heats it up, he's working on all the edges and the contours, trying to form that film into all of the little creases and corners. Now, this headlight is not the easiest headlight to work on. It has so many different planes and you're bending and stretching and twisting, but it will do it. It will work on it. That's why we are slowly but surely working every inch, every square inch. And whenever it gets a little bit difficult, we use the heat gun to heat it up a little bit, and we rotate from the squeegee to our thumb, then to the heat gun to the squeegee to our thumb. We have larger squeegees, smaller squeegees, and by the end of this video, you'll see us use all the tools in our arsenal. Now, as you can see, it's starting to look beautiful. You can already get an idea of how awesome it's going to look when we're done. I can see it already. It is going to be great. Who wants just some regular looking headlights? Everybody wants a little bit of flair, especially if you got a little bit of youth in you. You're not just super old and decrepit. So here we go. Using our thumb, we heating it up, using our thumb, working the little edges in there. You can't rush it. You cannot rush it. You have to take it inch by inch, because as soon as you try to rush it, it's either gonna rip or bunch up or tear or something, and then you're gonna have to start all over again. So whenever you get frustrated or whenever you get a little bit tired, stop, walk away, go do something else, get a drink, you know what I mean, walk around the block or something, come back with a fresh perspective and a renewed patience to get it done. So here's a small squeegee to get into those small areas, and we're just working it inch by inch. You can see from this video that there is nothing quick or easy about it, but it's not impossible. You can do it. Just give yourself enough time. So I'm assisting him here. This little area on the inner part of the headlight there is really tricky to get the film into and to look decent. So I'm heating it up for him a little bit and he's working it, heating it up a little bit and he's working it. So working as a team. Teamwork make the dream work. So that's what we're saying. Now, this is the finished product. It looks awesome. I love that. It's almost clear, but it's not, depending on the angle that you're looking at it. You get a kind of green haze. So we got it done. We want to see what it looks like on the outside. So we're gonna hop into our machine here and pull this bad boy out and then take another look with the sun shining on it to see how awesome it's gonna look walking up to it in the parking lot. And look at that. That is beautiful. There it is, folks. Awesome looking headlight on the Beamer. Tint, another perfect job. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cool runnings, man. Yeah.